2017 Jeep Patriot. It may look like the boxy, truck-like Cherokee of yore, but the Jeep Patriot is a very different animal. It's stated up against rivals, including the latest Cherokee and the pint-sized Renegade parked across the Jeep showroom, but the Patriot may be worth a look if value is one of your main priorities. We consider the Jeep Patriot below average in most categories, rating it a 4.7 out of 10, but its low price and cheeky personality make it worth consideration if simple transportation is what you're after. For 2017, the Patriot's lineup is largely unchanged as the small crossover awaits a full redesign next year. The 2017 Jeep Patriot is available in Sport SE, 75th anniversary, even though last year was the brand's 75th birthday, Latitude, and high-altitude trim levels. The Patriot lands in an intriguing middle ground for crossovers between mainstream models like the Honda CR-V, Subaru Forester, or Toyota RAV4, and some of the smaller models such as the Subaru Crosstrek, Nissan Juke, and Mazda CX-5. The Patriot is also essentially identical to the Jeep Compass, aside from its exterior styling. Jeep positions the Compass as a slightly more premium model, but the differences are purely cosmetic. While the original Patriot was something of a disaster, pink cloud, sluggish, austere, and wholly undesirable, Jeep has found ways to make this crossover a far better, more appealing vehicle. Today, its sensibly sized package combines macho Jeep lines with enough softness and stability to make it practical family transport. It may not be the newest or best equipped, but its value is hard to deny. The Patriot's boxy, trim, bold exterior yields a useful interior with good cargo space and rear seat backs that flip forward easily to make more room. We've found entry and exit very easy, thanks to the tall roofline, with plenty of headroom front and back, although the one surprise is that the seating position is lower than expected, with the dash height enveloping and the roof rails especially thick. The Bass engine on the Patriot is a 158 horsepower, 2.0-liter inline-4 mated to either a 5-speed manual or a continuously variable transmission, CVT. The 2.0-liter engine is only offered with front-wheel drive and isn't highly recommended. The Patriot was treated to an interior facelift back in 2011 that improved things, but that was more than half a decade ago. All models have decent front seat room, but rear passengers won't have a lot of space for stretching out. And even with all options piled onto a high altitude, the look and feel inside is more about durability than luxury. Inside, the Patriot's interior is functional, but not luxurious. Clean gauges are easy to read at a glance and most switches are located about where you'd expect them, but the overall look is let down by niggling cheapness in its details. The big elephant in the room remains the Jeep Renegade, which is priced near the Patriot but offers a more modern look and feel inside and out without too many size compromises. The Bass engine on front-wheel drive models is a 158 horsepower, 2.0-liter inline-4, while any version equipped with all-wheel drive comes standard with a 172 horsepower, 2.4-liter 4-cylinder. A 5-speed manual comes standard on the Sport regardless of drive wheels, while a 6-speed automatic is optional with both engines. The Jeep Patriot may strike you as compact and frugal, yet it's not necessarily any more fuel efficient than much larger SUVs. Mainstream models with the 2.4-liter engine, all-wheel drive, and an automatic check-in at 20 miles per gallon city, 25 highway, 22 combined, enough to score a 6. Read more about how we rate cars. If you're looking for the most efficient Patriot, stick to the front-wheel drive model with the 2.0-liter and a 5-speed manual, which comes in at 23/30/25 of a mile per gallon.